Hello everyone. For today, I'll teach you how to create an account with our broker, BCR, or Reach the Difference. So first of all, you need to have your personal email. So make sure po na yung email address nyo is tama. Okay. And then as you can see here, meron na tayong password na naka-prepare. So trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So password should be combination of a capital letter, a special character, and a number. Pwede nyo rin pong gamitin itong format na to, baguhin nyo na lang yung numbers and yung letters. Okay? And then hit on next, right? And then make sure na yung name na ilalagay nyo is tama pati yung spelling. So para wala pong maging problema once na um, chinek ng support yung account registration. So lagay nyo na po yung number ninyo and then click yung box before you hit on submit. Okay? So again, double check po yung name. Okay, so registered successfully. Okay lang. And then the system will route you directly to the page or portal wherein you can finish the registration book. Okay? So dito, pili ka lang ng leverage. Yan. Ito yung mga type of account. Pero first of all, bago ka mag-proceed, make sure na kung ano yung type of account na gustong piliin. So, we have three type of account: Pro account, SKD or Standard, and then Cent account. Tapos leverage, either MT4 or MT5. Okay? So, do you understand the concept margin? So, basically, ito lang naman tong mga general questions lang na nakalagay dito. So, just to make sure that you have knowledge about how the forex trading works. So tinitingnan natin dito or profile ng broker if may knowledge na kayo sa pag-trade. Okay? Alright, so finish natin yung account details. Date of birth, lagay nyo lang kung ano yung date of birth po ninyo. Then kung anong year kayo, year. Yan. Tapos sa address naman, make sure po na yung address is same doon sa may ID na i-upload ninyo. Okay? So, dito, for registration, you need to prepare at least two valid IDs. Yung isa dapat merong address. So, ang pipicturean po natin doon or i-upload natin doon is front and back. Okay? Yung isa for identification verification purposes and then yung isa naman is for address verification. So, make sure na yung address na ilalagay ninyo sa part na to is same doon sa address ng ID nyo. Okay? So, pili ka lang dito kung anong ID yung gusto mong i-upload, either any government or valid ID ng government, driver's license or passport. So, lagay nyo lang kunyari yung number ninyo ng passport, issuer DFA. Kung driver's license naman, LTO na lang lagay ninyo. So, meron tayong mga IDs sa Philippines na wala naman na expiration date. So, hindi naman siya uh, kailangan ilagay or kung merong expiration date yung ID ninyo, much better para sigurado lang na dire-diretso yung verification. Wala nang itanong. Kasi pag nakita sa ID nyo na may expiration date, pwedeng i-ask kayo to complete the registration. So, make sure na i-fill up nyo to. If not applicable, leave it blank na lang. Sa social media, you don't need to disclose naman lahat. Pwedeng NA na lang po yung ilagay ninyo. Ayan. And then next lang, so, financial info, ano bang type ng work ninyo? Nasa government ba kayo? Accounting, banking, finance, insurance. So, let's say for example, insurance ka and then manager ka. Annual income, you don't need to, to disclose kung magkano ba talaga yung sinasahod mo. So, pwede na lang maglagay ka na lang dyan. Okay, so salary, ano pa ba yung mga source of income mo or source of funds. So, pili ka lang dito kung ano yung applicable. And then, dito naman, long-term investment, lagay mo na lang yan. Mas importante, ma-fill out mo lang siya para mag-proceed ka dun sa may next step. Yan. So, relevant trading experience. Have you ever attended an educational seminar? If yes, hit on yes. If not, no. So, yan. Kung may experience ka na nakaka-attend ka sa mga forex fair, yan. Or mga webinars. Are you an employee BCR? Ito po, make sure na yung background information is entirely correct. So, make sure to read the question. So, are you an employee of BCR or ng broker natin? Hindi po. Okay? So, no, no lang na ang sagot dito lahat. Tapos, next. Okay? And then, hit this box. And then, ito rin sa baba for you to be able to proceed to the next stage or page. Okay? So, dito nyo na ngayon i-upload yung document ninyo. Okay? So, front and back. Okay? So, proof of address. Dito, pwede nyo i-upload dito. This is for identification purposes. So, pwede yung any type of valid ID like passport, UMID ID, TIN ID, driver's license, PhilHealth, national ID. So, yun, yung mga ID na pwede mong i-upload. Make sure na i-upload nyo ng malinaw. Picturean nyo and then kitang-kita dapat yung details. And then dapat lahat ng corner ng card ninyo is kita. Hindi dapat putol. So, make sure na kuwang-kuha yung buong card and malinaw yung details, front and back. Upload nyo lang po siya dito. And then, dito naman, sa proof of address, pwede ka mag-upload dito ng any valid ID na merong address. Ano ba yung mga merong address na IDs? Ito yung mga driver's license, UMID ID, TIN ID, etc. So yun, dito kahit front lang ang i-upload ninyo. So make sure na kitang-kita yung card, all corners ng card ninyo is kitang-kita, and then importante rin yung details is malinaw. Okay? And then hit on submit. Okay, verification form has been submitted successfully. So once you were able to upload the document, pag nakarating ka na sa stage na to, makaka-receive ka ng success. Your application has been successfully submitted. So it is being reviewed na by our support or back end. So all you need to do in this case is just to wait for your account to be activated or fully verified. Pero mas maganda, after you register, you can also tap whose account manager are you in or kung sino yung nag-a-access sa inyo sa broker or with BCR to follow up the registration or account registration para mas mabilis yung approval. So, ganun lang po on how to register with BCR broker. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach us out. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.